Hello all and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Flutter on your laptop step by step. Okay. Before we start building mobile apps with Flutter, you need three main things. So first, you will need the Flutter SDK. This is the core thing that actually lets you build Flutter apps. Second, you will need Android Studio, mainly for the Android SDK and the emulator, so we can run our apps. I'll show you everything in a bit. Third, you need VS Code or Visual Studio Code. That's the editor we will use to write our code. It's lightweight and work really well with Flutter. Okay, so three main things. Now, if you are on, or you have a Mac, if you have a Mac, you will also need an additional thing, which is Xcode. If you want to build iOS apps, you will need also Xcode. So let's start. So to install the Flutter SDK, let's go to Chrome. So open your web browser, and here you will write Flutter. You will tap on the first link, and then you'll go to get started. And here on this page, you will choose your platform. So if you are on Windows, you will select Windows. If you are on Mac, you will select Mac. If Linux, Linux. If Chrome OS, you will select Chrome OS. Okay. So if you are on Windows, you will select Windows. And here it will tell you what do you need to install. So you need to install Git. So you tap on this link. You tap on click here to download, and Git will be installed. After you do that, you will go to Windows again, and you will install a Visual Studio Code. So you'll tap on this link. You will select your operating system. So if you are on Windows, you select Windows, download and install, and you download the Visual Studio installer. Good. Now we will go back to the same website. Good. Now in this section, we will install the Flutter SDK. Okay. So you have a section here called download manually. You will tap on this link. You will use this link, install Flutter manually. You will also select your operating system, and you will tap on this button, Flutter Windows 3.41.0. You will tap it and it will be installed. So we installed Git, we installed VS Code, and we installed the Flutter Windows. This is for Windows. If you are on Mac, you will select Mac. You will do this command first, and then you will install the Flutter Mac OS. So if you are on Intel, you will select this one. If you are on Apple Silicon, which is M1, M2, M3, you will select this one. Okay. Now let me get my Windows laptop so we can continue. Okay, so here we are on my Windows laptop. So we've installed Flutter and Android Studio and Git. So what you need to do, first of all, is to open Android Studio. Okay, you will open. And then it will install stuff. It will install a lot of stuff, so you need to wait. Okay, don't close it. Just wait till it finish. So once it's done, okay, it will open this page. Okay, it will open this page. So here you will tap on the three dots, or it will appear like a button somewhere in this place that says more actions. Okay, so you'll tap on three buttons or more actions, and then SDK manager. Okay, and then you will tap on SDK tools, and you will check this one, Android SDK command line tools. You will check it. You will tap on apply and then OK. Okay, so apply and then OK. Good. This is everything that we need in Android Studio. So once it's done, we close it, and then we will go to the Flutter SDK. Now, we've installed the Flutter as a zip folder, so we will need to extract it. So you will right-click on it. You will tap on Extract Files, and then you will go to Local Disk C, and you will tap on New Folder. You will create a new folder called SRC. Now, I already have one, so let's call it SRC1. And then you will press OK. Now we will wait. Okay, so once we extract it and put it in the SRC folder, you will enter the folder. You will go to Flutter. You will enter it as well. And you will go to the bin folder. So you'll enter this as well. And then you will copy the path. See this path? You just copy it. So let's select it all. 1 second, I'm not used to Windows. So we can, I guess, select all. Control C. Perfect. Now in the search here, we will write env, edit the system environment variables. We will open it. And then you will go to environment variables. And in the system variables section, you will go to path. You will select it. And then edit, new, and then paste. Once all of this is done, you will tap OK, OK, and OK. Now, to make sure that we've installed Flutter correctly, we will go to the search again, and we will type cmd, command prompt. And here you will say, or you will type Flutter. If it gave you this, then the installation is correct. The configuration and the installation of Flutter is correct. And that's it. Okay, so on iOS, we are now back to iOS. For the setup on iOS, you will need to go to the install Flutter link, the same link that we used in the beginning, okay? In here, you will tap on Quick Start, and then macOS. You will do the same commands that they appear in this website, and then you will go to install Flutter manually, and you will scroll down, you will install this, and then you will do the same stuff in here. You will do the same command, and you will follow the instructions, okay? Good luck.